101.1 Smile FM, the spirit of Indonesia, BPC.
Wow,
Bright and breezy.
breezy.
Okay, give big applause for us. Anyway, okay, still natural disaster, bencana alam. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Anyway, I want to ask you guys about how can we prevent or at least minimize the natural disaster will happen to our country, especially in our region like South Sulawesi. Maybe Ajang first. How do you have a
Okay.
special treatment
So,
or idea how to prevent or minimize?
yeah, first we have to search all of the thing in internet because
Mhm.
I think that the technology is very highest right now and we can access everything.
Yeah.
But second, I think that we can also involve with the environmentalists like communities which they've concerned to focus put awareness for the environmental.
Yeah.
And after that, I think that we can also like socialize. I
Mhm.
think from a little things or a little things such as you can share with your friends or okay, don't how to say lettering it means that buang sampah sembarangan,
Mm.
lettering way. And also you can also
Is that your motion?
no, no, actually,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
but I
continue.
ever talk with this case actually.
Mm.
So and the next, I think it is the simple thing. We have to start from ourselves.
Mhm.
How we can don't use like plastic,
Mhm.
use go green for example.
Mhm.
How we can like socialize this
Also save the energy,
yeah,
like
this
turn
save
off the light
energy.
when we do not use it.
Uh, uh, uh,
Really use it.
yeah, sometimes I don't know because we have more vehicle kendaraan like
Yeah.
it will make a population polusi
Pollution.
pollution and
Like carbon dioxide, right?
yeah, and we always cut tree and destroy forest. It
Mm.
it means that it will be
Deforestation.
yeah
Mhm.
decrease O2
Mm.
and pollution will be more higher. So
Mhm.
that's why I think we have to socialize or at least we involve with the several community which
Mm.
focus to environmentalists and yeah after that can prevent our earth.
Okay, nice statement. Okay, what about you, Wahid? Do you have a special treatment or a special way to your idea how to minimize or prevent the natural disaster? At least start from a little steps.
Little steps. I
Yes.
think for the first, yeah, we have to check ourselves. Yeah, we have to check ourselves for the first,
Mm-hmm.
and then uh, same like our brother Achang,
Yeah.
self awareness. Like don't throw your rabies in what to want, and then join like uh, uh, disaster community. Maybe in
Like
Makassar, yeah.
like volunteering.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yes.
volunteering,
Yes. How do you say?
volunteering,
How do you say?
volunteering.
Yes, I like it.
Volunteering.
I like your style. Okay.
And then like join like webinar or seminar that they uh, they mereka bahas like a
Mhm.
natural disaster,
Mhm.
how to prevent it.
Mhm.
And then yeah, we have to collaborate like our government and our society
Mhm.
working each other for
Mhm.
preventing natural disaster in
Mm.
our earth, especially in our country, our
Mhm.
religion, our
Uh,
region,
a
our
region,
region.
yeah, no religion, yeah. Noted, noted. Okay, okay. Thank you. What about you? How do you have a special treatment or idea how we can minimize or prevent the natural disaster will happen?
Yeah, it's already all of Achang and Wahid said that before we have to socialization
Uh-huh.
about go green
Mhm.
also and save our energy.
Mhm.
And the small step that I have do is we have to uh, use our tablet every day
Mhm.
or every where that we can bring it.
Mhm.
Yes, and it's small step
Mhm.
because we can't change the world, but we uh, can change the world by
Mhm.
ourselves.
Mhm.
So it's a start from ourselves for change the world. And also we have to stop doing the deforestation, and
Mhm.
also we have to do reforestation because it's
Like planting the tree,
yes,
right? Okay.
the planting the tree
Yeah.
because uh, the the natural disaster the flood as natural disaster always have in Indonesia, so it's maybe have to do it reforestation first. And also yes, you said before that save our energy, you have to turn off the lamp after using, or have using the mic also later you have to
Yeah. Your air
uh,
conditioner
air
also.
conditioner also. Yeah, it's all of small stuff for doing it. It's prevent natural disaster.
And the most important also, yeah, we have to synergy with our government that
Yes.
we have to make a giant or massive social movement like volunteering, how we can planting the tree like massive movement to planting 1 billion peoples maybe, yeah, all of Indonesia to planting the tree. Not only one people to planting. How could it be, right? Okay, the government have to coordinate or synergy with a stakeholder like LSM and any others to uh, give a huge movement, social movement, something like that. Okay. Um, Anyway, maybe I wanna ask you guys about conclusion, and after conclusion, maybe you can give idioms, yeah, or vocabulary, something like that. Okay, conclusion, Tendri.
Also, yes, is our natural disaster. So can we can what we can hinder the natural disaster, but we just prevent and minimize the natural disaster. So just do small step, small step first. Yes.
Do you have an idiom or vocabularies?
Yeah, my idiom is because it's disaster. So I have idiom. I have get it. Idiom about disaster. So the first idiom is a walking of disaster. So
In Indonesia, translate to
yeah,
Indonesia.
it's what all of you do. It's a cause.
No,
What
translate to Indonesia,
so,
please.
yes, idiomnya jadi kalau semua yang dilakukan itu kacau. So for example, we can say that, oh my God, what a walking of disaster. Yes, if cause. Okay, so and the second is bring of disaster.
Indonesia.
Yeah, it's
Translate.
like almost kacau, almost gagal. Ya hampir gagal. Like I think for example, I think my presentation today was bring of disaster.
Okay.
Yes, it's
What about vocabularies? Do you have?
what's reforestation, reboisasi, and deforestation, deforestasi. So and ring of fire, no, ring of fire is what?
Cincin api.
Yeah, no. So it's what?
Enough?
Yes.
Enough.
You know?
Okay, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Well, what about you? What is your conclusion for our topic this evening?
Yeah, we know about natural disasters is come from like ourselves. Yeah, we have like miss self awareness. Yeah, we have to like change ourselves. We have to like um contribute work each other like our government and society in Indonesia.
Yeah.
We have to like join in like disaster community, join in like webinar or seminar. They talk about like natural disaster and how prevent about it. And then
Do you have idioms?
idioms.
Or yeah.
Just
Oh,
vocabulary.
vocabularies. Okay. Come on.
Natural disaster, it means like bencana alam, lensing,
Landslide.
landslide,
Yeah.
tanah longsor, volcano eruption, Gunung Meletus.
Okay.
I think that's wrong.
Okay. What about you? What is your conclusion, Achan?
Okay, so actually, in our conclusion, I would like to invite you guys to keep or to maintain our Earth, because without if yeah, I think I also want to give a several edition for Kadia, so we can maintain our problem right now. Like
Yeah.
actually, the government supposed to be create a big policy like which one the people forbid this policy, we will give more punishment for them. That so I think it will make awareness for the all of the stakeholder in the world. And yeah, okay, what about vocabulary?
Idioms or vocabularies?
Yeah, I think first is circumstance, meaning that keadaan. Affection, kasih sayang.
Asik. Okay.
Yeah, I have evolved, berkembang, and yeah, I think that's all.
Okay. Do you have final statement?
Uh,
They have final statement
Not-
message?
no,
No.
nothing.
They have final statement or message?
Perhaps-
Like one sentence like that.
You can represent us.
Huh?
You can represent us, Kak.
Like dream, believe, and make it happen. Like something like that.
Okay, so actually,
Okay.
I
Just one
wanted,
sentence.
we suffer more in imagination than in reality.
Oh wow.
For people which always overthinking.
Okay,
Asik.
good. What about you? Do you have a final statement? One sentence.
Let's be guns, be by guns. Yang berlalu biarlah berlalu.
What about you? Do you have a final statement?
No.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you guys for coming in our second home in Smart FM, of course, and Smart Up Your Life discussion with BPEC Benteng Panyo English Club. Once again, thank you guys for coming here. That's all our conversation about our topic this evening. The topic is natural disaster, and of course, for the safety, just keep clean, keep your environment, keep your healthy, and keep everything that you can keep. Of course, include your family at home. So that's all our conversation with BPEC Benteng Panyo English Club with Smart Up Your Life program. See you for the next week every 7 p.m. at Tuesday and Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. Bye.